Hi, this is Christian Cantrell, and I'd like to show you an application my team at Adobe has been working on using some content provided to us by National Geographic. This entire application was built using web technologies and then packaged up as a native application using PhoneGap. And I think the result is a really nice kind of native application feel. The first thing we see is this introduction. The article that I'm going to show you is about a giant sequoia. And so we used WebGL to sort of build up the image of this tree to sort of provide a sense of scale. We then transition into the main menu here, which I can scroll back and forth. I'm going to select the Forest Giant article, and it's going to zoom into place. Once it's in place, I can start to scroll through the article. The first thing we see is the use of CSS exclusions or CSS shapes to create this drop cap effect. If you look closely, you'll see that the text is following the contour of the O. Here we're using CSS transforms so that you can just grab this image and throw it open to full screen, and when you're done, just put it away. I'll move ahead a couple of pages here and show you this effect. We're using CSS custom filters for this unfolding and folding effect. You can either tap on it or you can use gestures here. Again, this is a prototype and this is something that we're still working on, so we're kind of working on the fluidity and the performance, but you can see it's getting pretty good. I'll move forward to another page where we're using CSS shapes. In this case, we have a caption, which is kind of making better use of the white space at the base of this tree. And here we're using CSS custom filters once again to unfold this image, or you can use gestures to fold it up and put it away. We're using CSS transforms once again. You can kind of have a little fun by throwing these images open and kind of playing around with them and then just putting them away there. On this page, we're using CSS shapes to make this text follow the contour of the state of California, which I think makes this graphic look a little bit more polished. And the corner of this page just peeled up, so I can grab this and I can start to peel back the entire page. This is using CSS custom filters. And beneath it, we see a Google map. This is showing the location of the tree. When we're done, I can just close that up and the page will come back down. I'll move on to the last page, and we're using another transform here so you can take a better look at this graphic. And when you're done, just put it away. So once again, this entire application was built using nothing but web technologies, but I think it provides a really fluid native application feel. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the video's description. Thanks for watching.